Okay, let's use all our rules and actually solve some of these problems. So, x cubed minus 7x minus 6 equals 0. Notice I have a cube bigger than 2. So I have to find a way to break this down. So first, we'll notice that signs are not all plus, so I can't use that. So I find the possible rational roots. So it's the factors of this number divided by the factors of this number. So it'll be plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 3, plus or minus 6. So I've narrowed it down to 8 possible rational choices. Now notice all the answers could not be imaginary because it's odd. Imaginary numbers come in pairs. So notice I need to try to find out if one of these works. So let's do number 1. 1 cubed is 1, minus 7, minus 6. Nope, 1 doesn't work because it's got to add up to 0. Negative 1, this would be negative 1 plus 7 because the negative 1, and then minus 6. That does work. Wow. So I'm going to actually break it down using synthetic division. So 1, 0, negative 7, negative 6. So bring down, multiply, add. Bam. So negative 1, that's 1. That's negative 6, that's 6. Negative 1 times negative 6 is 6. Remainder 0. So if negative 1 is an answer, then x minus that is a factor. And then I use the quotient to break this down. It's this times this will give me this. And since the remainder is 0, I know that's true, so it'd be x squared minus x minus 6. Now the power's 2, so I could do quadratic formula. I could do completing the square. I know x is negative 1. I already found that. So let's factor this up. X minus 3, x plus 2. So x equals 3, x equals negative 2. So all the answers were rational. Now, x to the 4th minus 3x squared minus 4. So I have 4 answers. Now notice they all could be imaginary. Might not have any imaginary, but these could. I got to break this down twice to get it to a square. Still going to find my PRR. So possible rational roots would be plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 4. So I only have 6 choices. So, let's see. Does 1 work? 1 minus 3, no. How about negative 1? 1 no, that doesn't either. So I really only have 4 choices. Mercy. Let's try 4. Does 4 work? I don't know. So we got 1, 0, negative 3, 0, negative 4. So bring down 1, that's 4. That's 4. That's 16. That's 13. That's 42. 42. That's 168. Oh my good. Whoa, it didn't give me 0. So this didn't help me at all. All it did was get rid of one of my choices. So let's try 2. 1, 0, negative 3, 0, negative 4. So bring down 1, that's 2, that's 2, that's 4, that's 1, that's 2, 2. Hey, it worked. So I know I can break this up into x minus 2 times, that would be x cubed plus 2x squared plus x plus 2. Now, I also know since these are all positive, I can get rid of the pluses. Got to have a negative to have a positive. And this is 2 possible rational roots. 4 can't be an answer. So my only last try is negative 2. If negative 2 doesn't work, I'm done. So what? 2, 1, 2. I'm using this now. Broke it down. Bring down. That's negative 2. Oop, that's 0. That's 0. 1. That's, oh my goodness. Negative 2 works. So I can break this up, and x minus negative 2 would be x plus 2. And the quotient, which would be x squared plus 1. So this gives me negative 2, which I already knew. We already solved that. Now the power's 2. I can solve this now. Okay. So subtract 1. Square root x equals plus or minus I. So good deal. So I had 2 imaginary and 2 rational. No irrational. So hopefully this helped. Trying to get caught up with my gout. But have a good day, kids.